Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open your device's gallery and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now to select multiple ones right away, click on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Select All at the top of the list. To exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on them, and to delete the rest, tap on this bin at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!